Hai semuanya, aku Hannah Al Rashid dan hari ini gue akan masak sesuatu yang super simple, agak kebulean flavornya karena memang dasar bule. Basically, it's gonna be an elevated green pea mash with some lamb. Check it out.
You'll need some mint, chopped, some coriander, chopped, some garlic and shallot, and some gorgeous tenderloin. For our lamb spices, we'll need some coriander, some cumin, some chili flakes, and some chili powder. And then we'll be adding mushrooms. And obviously, for the pea mash, we'll need some peas.
Okay, so sambil peasnya lagi direbus, aku mulai dengan lambnya.
Add some oil to a pan and then fry your garlic and shallots until they're nice and brown. And then add your gorgeous lamb meat.
Sekarang kita makan masukin bubuk ketumbar. Jinten is my favorite. And sedikit bubuk cabai.
Mix all those spices up nicely and then add your mushrooms and mix them all up gorgeously. And once your mushrooms and lamb are all nicely cooked, add in your fresh coriander.
Chili flakes, salt, pepper.
Once that's all nicely cooked, let's get back to our peas. Add some olive oil to a pan with some crushed garlic, mix it together and then add in your chopped mint leaves. Add a bit more olive oil and then your chili flakes. Mix all those flavors up nicely and then we're going to start mushing our mushy peas. Season with salt and pepper and then we're going to add a little bit of coconut milk just to make it even more lovely jubbly. Perfect! And now we're done. Here you have it, Hannah's lamb and peas.
Selamat menikmati. Bon appétit.